Howdy neighbor, welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today is I'll show you how I solder. So I have my little stand, the solder, my gun, then I've got that. So first things first is I make them the same length. Okay. And of course, since this is open, I can always slide the sleeve in. So then I spread out the strands a little bit, push them through like this where they kind of intertwine with each other, then I kind of roll it, twist it. Okay, didn't work as well. Okay, alright, so here we go neighbor, opening it up a little bit more, and it slides in like that. To me, that's that seems to make the best connection. Then I twist it like I said. All right, so we twist it, and I got the little alligator clamps on here. I put the little heat shrink on it so it won't mess up the thing, and that holds it steady. And this has been on for a while, so I'll put it here, and you can see it just eat through it. So then I just put this on here, let it warm up. And then you'll start seeing it go through the wire in a second. See? It's going through the wire. I can move the wire around. And there you go. Very easy. As you can see, it goes all the way around. Okay, so that's done. And, oops, it's burning a hole through that. So then, get the heat shrink. And again, you got to remember to do it before. So I always like to, if I can have it hold on to it, it's great. At least one side. So then it's like, okay, how far does it go? So I stop probably right around here. At this where my fingers are, so I get enough cover, so at least half of each. Turn this guy on, full blast. It's gonna shrink it in a moment. Move it around. Of course, you could always use a lighter, but I prefer this. It just makes life easier. You don't have to worry about burning anything. It does get very hot too, so you just got to be careful. Okay. And that's how I do it. And we're all done.